Don't draw like this. Draw like this. Start the dark parts with black pencil. Lightly outline the highlights without filing them. Follow the form of the drawing by using a light pressure on the pencil. Don't forget, define the highlights but keep them untouched. Use a light pressure in the lighter areas. Blend the small details from the lighter areas into the darker ones using a blending stump, always by following the natural light on the reference photo. Then draw the eyelashes following their natural direction on the reference photo. Then define the lines of the drawing by a light pressure on the pencil. Blend it gently, always following the outlines of the drawing. Then smoothly blend from inner to outer to create depth and volume, always following the outline of the drawing without erasing it. Then softly blend with a cotton swab to enhance the light areas. Blend the damp area to create a blurred effect. Then a second layer of black. Always keep the highlights untouched. Second layer of blending. Last touch of black. Using a Mono Zero eraser, try to make highlights on the unfilled areas to make it more vibrant. Don't draw like this. Avoid hatching with black in a random way, ignoring the outlines. Drawing lashes without following the natural shape. Random blending, using the same pressure for all the details. Adding light with white gel pencil.